Good day to Madam Jasmina. So my name is Patricia Veronica. So I chose Indian NDTV news report to analyze. So the selected sample is a 1 minute NDTV news report that's delivered by the Indian English newsreader, and it is a major Indian network. NDTV channel is a major Indian network, and in this page they reflect the Indian English associated with popularized Maharashtra English. For the Indian English, they have a syllable time rhythm, where the English they have a equal duration, where in British English it's stressed time where unstressed syllables occur, but unstressed syllables for the British English it is a stressed time where it's stressed syllables where it occur at regular interval, and unstressed syllables was reduced. So Indian English is full of vowels quality, even in unstressed syllables, and words like, if you see words like to, of, it appear in fuller forms. So British English, they use falling intonation and completed declarative statement, while Indian English they use rising intonation in statements. And for example, the NDTV speech. The NDTV speech include retroflex and dental consonant, where Indian English consonant it link with rhythm and vowel pattern. Alright, and then Indian English actually allows stress placement without affecting the meaning of the words. And then if you look, Indian English also, they developed through historical environment and also education and multilingual environment. So we can see from the influence from Indian first language, we can see from Hindi, Marathi, Hindi, Tamil, and Bengali in Marathi. So if we can see here, the preferred it was syllables for rhythm. You can see the prefers they give for syllable time rhythm, fuller vowels, and also flatter intonation. And how to overcome this? The first one, we must not eliminate Indian English features, but we need to develop the metalinguistic awareness. So for example, student must understand the difference between the varieties, why is the social linguistic and why the linguistic exist. The second one will be the exposure to multiple models. So here, exposure to multiple models means that teachers, they can provide extensive listening papers, for example, including of different models. For example, with NDTV models, which is the Indian English models, and then British English models, and also other Englishes like South African English models to students. So what students do here is, when they get the listening paper, so the students are going to compare the written patterns across the varieties. Are they going to analyze the vowel reduction patterns, and also they are going to recognize and identify the retroflex versus alveolar consonant in the papers. Alright, the third one will be teachers must give a focus on listening and pronunciation for students, fluency and pronunciation, so that students can develop their abilities. So here we can see in consonant articulation, where students, they can hear retroflex versus alveolar differences and identify them. So that's it for my part. Thank you.